The Tourism and Culture Authority conducted a fam trip to Abu Dhabi with 11 tour operators from North India. This fam was held in participation with Indigo Airlines.
First of all, I am really thankful to Mr. Bejan for giving me opportunity to visit the most famous Middle East destination, Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi, for the last 3 days, whatever, shown wonderful. I've been here a couple of times, long back ago, but it's really unimaginable what they have done in this short little time. You go to the mosque, the beautiful mosque, no comparison at all. You can go there with your family, with your friends, and Ferrari Park is the best, one of the best you can have in Asia, not only in Middle East but in Asia. The third thing, they have this Yes Park. Yes Park can beat anything, This is the best destination for incentive, not only, but also for family.
This was like a fantastic experience. The hotel and their concept of service, the food service was brilliant. I've never seen anything like this earlier. Especially from a buffet. This is like amazing, wonderful.
What's your reaction to this hospital here?
Outstanding, absolutely amazing, unique. Very few words that are saying so, but it was just an extraordinary place. I haven't seen something like this before.
So, what's the most unique thing about it?
I think just the way they've created this place to give care to these birds. This shows how respected these birds are in their domain. It's just fantastic.
So would you recommend this to anybody?
Very strongly. I think it's a very unique feature. It's a USP to bring people to this place. And you see them, like an OPD sitting there waiting with their birds to be taken care of, and the care that they're showing, the cleanliness over here, it's just unheard of and not seen before.
मेरे पानी की स्थिति है ऑलमोस्ट 25-27 तो वो मुझे बोला कहता यार Sam is not happy with you, attitude. What's happened? You don't greet them. I always say hi, good morning. No, the proper way. Okay, please. Okay, man. तब से फिर मैं शुरू हो गया. सुबह वो 25 लड़की को पप्पी करनी, शाम को सब 25 लड़की को पप्पी करनी.
वो ऐसे पप्पी की लत लगी उतरी नहीं. उनका जो कुड़ी नजर आया.
बोलिए.
Difference between tour operator and ticketing agent. Tour operator face, real life experience है. So.
नहीं साहब, आप गलत बोल गए सर.
They stay in their home, na. Just issue the tickets. That's it.
अच्छा.
And once a year they go for fam trip.
Yes, it's an upcoming destination, I would say. It's a destination for 2 to 3 nights, exclusive destination. They're looking for a short holiday, extended holiday on a weekend. So Abu Dhabi is the destination. We have everything here. What Indian looking forward? Starts with shopping, which Indians really freaked out with the shopping. Al Wahda Mall, Marina Mall. All kind of shopping options are available, and luxurious hotels, reasonably priced, and absolutely safe. Good nightlife, good music.
What do you feel about the hotels here?
Oh, excellent. Experiencing the hotels where we have got the chance to stay, thanks to Abu Dhabi Tourism for it. Shangri-La, Traders, very nice hotels. At the same time, other options like Ritz-Carlton, Etihad Tower, Emirates Palace, Fairmont. So there are plenty of options for everybody,
Thank you very much for arranging this lovely trip for us. And we have got real insight of the destination. And this is I think it's a great family destination, as well as for individual travelers, and excellent for the MICE segment as well. Particularly, I am in awe of this hotel, Ritz-Carlton. It's a wonderful property for individuals, and it is a very good option for a wedding destination. And right now we are in Ferrari World, which is one of the most top attractions of Abu Dhabi. Then, I mean, it's good for young and old alike. You have all sorts of rides and amusements for all age groups. Then you have mosque. Oh my God, mosque is a masterpiece. They say it took 10 years for Sheikh to plan it, and then another 10 years to build it. So 20 years, it's a long-term planning, and you have to visit it. It's a must visit. I would like to come back to Abu Dhabi time and again. Thank you very much.